In the world of geocaching, there is a unique beauty to being bested. It's not about defeat, it's about inspiration. When somebody finds a cache before you, it's not just a moment of realization that they've triumphed. It's a spark that can ignite within you, urging you to push further, to think smarter, to delve deeper into the thrill of the hunt.
There we go. Well, this is the end of the road for the Jeep. As you can see here, I guess technically we could drive through, but it doesn't look like anybody does. So we'll just go on foot from this point. But this is our adventure to go find the cache that in a cheeky sort of way was placed, I'm gonna say, in our honor. It's a multi called Bested. And it's a bit of an inside joke between us and another cacher. And it's been a while since it was put out, with a little bit of a poke at us. So it's time that we come out and find it. So we are up the Garnet Creek FSR, up as far as you can really drive. Now we're on foot for a couple kilometers to go and find Bested.
In this geocaching world of hidden treasures, secret coordinates, all the fun we have together, healthy competition, well, it thrives on camaraderie and goodwill. It's about celebrating each other's successes, cheering on those who conquer challenges, and offering a helping hand to those who need it. It's a community built on mutual encouragement, where being bested can be a catalyst for you to do better for yourself and for some personal exploration, personal growth, and building community.
So we have made our turn towards the cache. We're getting really close now, and lots of little obstacles here. All right, down and under. Thank you. That was fun. So we get our way here to ground zero and then look for this cache with you guys while we talk about the ideas and personal bests and geocaching stats.
In the game of geocaching, there's no title or crown or championship belt at the end of the game that somebody's gonna win. It's a game of personal best. There's stats and challenges and ways that you can see how you're doing, and yeah, you can compare against other people, but that's not what it's about. It's about helping each other and learning about yourself while you learn about the world around you. So yeah, go on, check out your stats page, see how many finds is reasonable for you to find, challenge yourself where you feel it's good to challenge yourself, and encourage others on how they're doing.
There's a log. Our coordinates are getting close. You said near base of a tree? All right, so we did not get bested this time, but you know, it's sometimes about personal best. But here, let's see. There we go. There we go. That sucker. Wow, that's heavy. I wonder what all is in here. All right. Holy crap. This is why it's heavy. It's pretty wet inside. Sorry, Hayak. Well, there's desiccant bags in here, but I'm not sure they're doing much anymore. All right, there's the log. Wow, FTF came up on a motorbike. Last find, September 5th, 2020. That's a while ago. It's almost 3 years lonely. Not anymore. Well, back to the Jeep. Fun little walk, a couple kilometers in, couple kilometers back, and success. we found Bested. And what a fun way to talk about personal and inter-team competition in the game of geocaching.
So adventurers, let the thrill of friendly competition propel you forward, driving you to hone your skills, expand your horizons, embrace the spirit of competition, but the thrill of the hunt. Because in the end, it's not about who finds the most caches or solves the hardest puzzles. It's about the journey. It's about the connections you form, the friends you make, and the adventures you can have together. So let's get out there, let's cache safely, cache often, and most of all, let's make some new friends and see if we can get bested.
Yeah, this looks a lot different than the first time we were this way. As in, the first time we were this way, there was a trail.